down in there a while ago.
He got me in it, getting out.
You got mud on me a while ago, man. Shame on you. You ain't no good. But hey, if that's the least I get on me, I'll be doing pretty good.
Right. Come on, lock it clean.
It's definitely not the least I got on me.
No, you dirty.
I'm dirty.
You dirty girl.
I don't even know if Evan's going right back in the truck.
You dirty girl.
I need to go get some sand. Oh, no. Let's go cleaned up.
Might have to take a shower.
I need to take a shower, don't I? Get all my clothes off.
I got a shower up there.
Do you really?
Yeah.
In your, you bring a cabin or a motorhome? Camper?
I got a horse trailer.
Y'all just here for the day, or are you camping?
No, we're just here for the day.
Hey man, I know one reason why you didn't make that damn hole.
Hey, hold up!
He's got a 4th end in there.
I'm here to jump out the back. Hey, you diving right there. Can't burn the goddamn camera.
Hey, turn his lights out. Hey, turn your lights on. All right, come on back.
Let me take off.